Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. You see this alphabet embosser or letter cutout that I'm holding. We are going to be learning how to use it, and if this is of great interest to you, please stay tuned. Start off by rolling your fondant to be really thin, just like seen on this video. It has to be extremely thin, just like I've shown you now. Using this cutout, let's do the letter R. Firmly emboss that on the rolled out fondant. Just press it, apply pressure with that cutter on the rolled out fondant and just scrape it over your rolling mat. And once that is done, you might want to remove the excess and you have it on your cutout. Then all you need to do is place it across another and just flap it, give it a little flap, and that's it. Your letter is out. Just a little flap and your letter is out. You look at that. So we've got letter R already. So let's do other letters as well, and just watch me do it in this video. It's so easy. All you need to do is roll out your fondant to be extremely thin, emboss it on the rolled out fondant, and then use it always comes in a pair. So use it and just flap it over the other one, just very, very lightly so you don't break it. You can even do it without even taking it over the other one, so lightly so you don't break. Just like you can see now, again, I'm trying to make my fondant a little much thinner than it was. So once it's okay like this, so you place your embosser. I'm just trying to divide the fondant into two. You can actually do that together if the two letters you want to do are just the same, are lined up respectively. So let's do letter M. So apply the embosser on the roller fondant. Just give it a firm scrub over your rolling mat or your rolling surface. Remove the excess and just flap it a little, and then it releases it immediately. That's it. So the letter M is already embedded on the embosser. So just flap it over the other one, that's all, a little bit. And then your letter M is out. I don't know if this video is quite clear or explicit for you to understand, but if it is not, you could just take some more time and watch to the end of this video. I'm sure you will get like a closer and more explicit on view of it as well. So we've done letter M. We might also do a few more letters. This embosser tends to give your fondant writings this calligraphic look, which makes it a little beautiful also. So I'm going to be showing you towards the end of this video when I've already completed all the letters I wanted to do, and then the outcome. When I painted it, it really came out so nice. Well, we've done letter I, so just do it that way. All you need to do, let me just put you through a recap. All you need to do is roll your fondant to be really thin, and then use your embosser, apply it over the rolled out fondant, take out the excess, and then give your embosser a little flap, just like that, a little flap, and then that's it. You get your letter out, your alphabet out, and then you use it as you desire. Please bring out that embosser or alphabet cut strip that you've kept in that closet for a long time that you're not using. Bring it out and use it, and then thank me later. If you feel this did not really satisfy you that much, please let me know. I'm happy to maybe do a closer video on this as well. Okay, so at this stage, have you also subscribed to my channel? That is the most encouragement you could give me. You can do that by liking, sharing, and also subscribing. Thank you so much for watching to this very extent. I really appreciate you. Till I come your way with another exciting video, keep living, keep baking, and remain blessed. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.